This gemstone is super hard. It has excellent dielectric properties and resists strong acid and alkali attack at elevated temperatures. It has a good thermal conductivity, excellent size and shape capability, and it contains high strength and stiffness. Its physical properties is that the gemstone has a red color and a hardness of 9. Its chemical properties is that ruby is the hardest gemstone. It is also resistant to acids and other harmful substances. It also includes chromium, which gives rubies their characteristic of red color. The only way rubies can make a reaction is when they get to their melting point, which is 2000 degrees in Celsius. This means ruby is very low in reactivity. The structure and shape of this gemstone affects the properties of this material because it is strong and hard. This gives the compound the strength that it has. Ruby is made up of ionic bonds due to the electronegativity difference between oxygen and aluminum. The bonding force is ion-ion force, which is an attraction between ions with different charges. It creates a very strong force that is very hard to separate. In this case, it needs to reach its melting point so a reaction can happen. These forces impact the properties of the material because the gemstone is very hard. It requires a lot of energy for it to break or separate. This makes it one of the strongest materials, with a hardness of 9. Now, why should you invest in our company? There are many different types of gemstone ruby. But now, what makes ruby unique is that it is 50 times more rare than diamond. So that makes ruby very valuable. For example, you could invest $150,000 and out of that you're gonna get $530,000. So, as you may see, this may be very convenient for you. Ruby, apart of being a precious gem, has also many other uses. One typical use is a ruby laser, which a lot of dermatologists use for the skin. Other examples are wear pads, seal rings, high-temperature electrical insulators, high-voltage insulators, furnace liner tubes, etc. GR Company thanks you for your time. If you are interested, please call 871-212-1798.